What is the default target directory for software installations on the media processing server MPS? Option A. C:\Nortel. Option B. C:\program files /Nortel. Option C. C:\program files /Nortel self-service. Option D. C:\program files /Nortel Peri products. The correct answer is option C. When a media processing system, MPS, system is started, which file is used to activate a multimedia file for recording? Option A. vmmrec.cfg. Option B. vmmcmr.cfg. Option C. vmmsmp.cfg. Option D. vmmmmf.cfg. The correct answer is option D. After installing a license on a media processing server, MPS, which command is used to verify that the license has been activated? Option A. Plight. Option B. SRP status. Option C. Check license. Option D. Plekman hostname. The correct answer is option D. A technician was directed to place license strings in the +servc file. In which directory will the technician find this file? Option A. %home%\periplic. Option B. %home%\periplic etc. Option C. %home%\periplic license. Option D. %home%\periplic etc. license. The correct answer is option B.